Dina and her brother are making two kinds of bread. Both recipes call for 2/3 of a cup of flour. How much flour do they need in all? So, who can show me, using their number circles, their fraction circles, how they came up with their answer? Peyton.
So I took 4/3.
You took 4/3?
So 1 whole.
So like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I know that 3/3 equals 1 whole. So I need 1/3.
So you traded in 3/3?
For 1 whole, but I didn't do that.
You did the 3?
And
Good.
then I know that it's 1 and 1/3.
So you got 1 and 1/3.
Yeah.
So this is our 2/3 that we started with, and we needed 2 more thirds. Good.
Yeah.
So I heard you say something. You got 2 answers?
Yeah, I got 1 and 1/3, and I also got 4/3.
Okay, do we see how Peyton got that? So we can write this answer 1 and 1/3, or we can write it 1, 2, 3, 4/3. You good with that?
Yes.
All right, so how do we do it with the number line? Did anyone get to that? Isaiah, how did you do it with the number line?
So what I did was,
All right, I'm going to try this. I'm going to hope it works. Go ahead.
it says 2/3. I would do 2/3 first,
So you went to 2/3, which is right there.
and then I went over to 4/3 because since there's 2/3, that 2/3 together is 1 whole, so I went over to 4/3 since it equals the same thing. So it's 1 whole,
Mhm.
1/3.
Okay, so you went from 2/3 and you counted over 2 more thirds. So you got to 3/3, which is a whole, and then 4/3, which is 4/3 or 1 and 1/3. Good. I will try to figure out how to write on this without messing it up. All right, so our next question is not on that page. There we go. All right. Andre bought 1 3/4 pounds of ham and 2 2/4 pounds of beef. How many pounds of meat did he buy in all? So you can work with your next 2 partner for this. I would like you to work with both your fraction circles and your number line. Yeah.
So I go over there.
Why don't you come over to the right?
Then what?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to do 3/4.
How much are
So it's 1
You're fine. You can move that.
And then there's 2 2/4. I'm just going to go to my fraction. That means so it's
Is that the best idea? So what's our denominator we're working with? Fourths. So how are you going to add together fourths and halves? It's going to be a little difficult, right? Yeah. So Tyler just brought up a good point. He saw that 2 2/4 could also be shown as 2 and 1/2. Because we know that 2/4 is equal to 1/2. So why might I discourage you from converting 2/4 to 1/2 in this problem? Talk to your partner.
And we also, it would be
question was, I'll say it again.
And then you're doing.
Why would I discourage you from changing 2/4 to 1/2 in this particular problem? Peyton.
Because if you show 2/4, and 1/2, then you have like this one missing piece when you could use the same.
Yeah. So what are we changing? What part of the fraction are we changing? Tyler?
The denominator.
Yeah, we're changing the denominator. So we're taking a problem with the same denominator, so 3/4 and 2/4, and we're changing this to 3/4 plus 1/2. So to make it easier on yourself, keep the denominators the same. That'll make adding and subtracting fractions much easier.
Okay.
All right, keep going. Yeah. About what?
I just traded that for the red one.
You're using thirds, and the question's asking 2/4. Isaiah, what are you doing about?
So, or 1/4.
Oh, you're trying to use it with the number line?
Add one more.
You can do it either way you'd like. If you finish with one, I like to try with the other.
And trade it in for, and then
So
let's try with the number line.
So I was saying that Tyler brought up the idea to change this to 1/2, but that might make it tricky because then you have two different denominators. So it's going to be easier to addition and subtraction with the same denominator. So my advice was to keep this at 2/4. Yeah?
So if you get 1 and 3/4, it's at 7/4. And then 2 and 2/4.
Yeah. Wait, does it go up? It goes up to the page. Yeah. So Ashley just brought up another good point. What's the highest number on your fraction number line?
2.
2. So maybe let's just try it with the fraction circles for this. I don't want you to spend too much time estimating where numbers would be. All right, it's quiet. Do we have an answer?
Yes. Yeah. No.
All right.
Yeah.
Heard a lot of yeses. So, somebody tell me, let me erase all this. I wish I could just like throw it across.
That's what I do. Basketball.
Amelia, how'd you do it?
What I did was,
The question?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what I did was there were 3/4. I took the fourth and I divided it and I put the 3 together.
Bless you.
Sorry. What I did was I made the fourth go like apart.
Okay.
And I put 3/4 together.
So what I'm hearing is you took all the fourths, so 1, 2, 3 in the first number, and then 2 in the other. And then you traded 4 of them
Yeah.
for a whole. Now, did you use this whole or the one that split into fourths? This whole? Okay. So this is what? The sum of what? What did you just add together? What two fractions did you just add together? 3/4 and 2/4. So this is our sum of 3/4 and 2/4. What else do we have to do? What part of the math problem are we missing? So Amelia's first step was to add the 3/4 and the 2/4. So what's our next step? What else do we have to add together? Ashley.
We have to add all the whole.
Yeah, so we have to add the whole numbers.
1 and 2.
So it's 1 got an answer of 4 1/4?
Yes.
Did anyone do it a different way? So there's different trades we can make. Go ahead, Luke.
So I did it by, so back in the problem when it said 2/4, so when it said 2/4 and then other one was
Here.
1/4, I think it was.
So 1 3/4.
So and 2.
Here, I'm gonna write it on the board.
Okay. I took the 3/4 and put it out with the yellow squares. Then I took the other one, 2/4, and put them together. So, and then I took the 2/4 and the 3/4. I put the 3/4. The 2/4. I put one of the fourths into the 3/4.
I'm gonna stop you. I'm gonna hit the rewind button.
Okay.
That was
So I had 3/4.
3/4. The fourth pieces.
Yeah, and the 4 pieces.
1, 2, 3.
And then for the other one, I had 2/4. And then I put them together to make 1/4.
Okay.
So I put them all together.
You put them all together, all 5?
No, all 4. I
Okay.
put 4
just,
together.
Just clearing it up.
No, all of them together.
Yeah.
So it makes
Did
a
you
circle.
use?
The circle, yeah. No, not that.
You said the full circle.
Yeah, just wait. No.
Keep going. It's all right.
And then I took the full one, and made
Yeah.
a red circle with that one. And then I took the other 2/4, and then that's how I did it.
Good. All right, we're gonna move on. We have a few more